This is our 9 and 10.5 inch split screen monitor for up to 4 digital wireless backup cameras from our V3 line, SKU60820, and its larger brother, the 10.5 inch SKU49274. These are our top of the line 1080p digital wireless monitors designed for our V3 line. It will accept up to 4 digital cameras, the ones that have the 300-foot range. The monitor has 14 unique view modes with an integrated speaker so you can hear what's going on outside. Perfect for parking, but also pretty cool if you want to hear what goes bump in the night. And yes, you can control the volume as well as mute. For those of you that want the latest and greatest, there's also an upgraded version that will include an integrated mobile DVR. That's right, it'll convert this system into a 4-camera dash camera. With an extremely bright display, you will have a perfect image in direct sunlight as well as auto dimming at night for the night vision. As always, these monitors are designed to pop on when you go in reverse or stay active while you're driving down the road. For the viewing mode, you could see 1, 2, 3, or 4 at a time, as well as 14 unique viewing modes, giving you that perfect combination that you specifically need. The harness comes with triggers that will activate when the blinkers go left or right. That means you get the view you need when you need it. These features make the monitor a perfect addition to any security surveillance of your vehicle when you're parked. Lastly, the heavy-duty monitor comes with multiple mounting options, a butterfly mount, and a U-bracket that you can hang it from the ceiling. Remember, if you need any extra help, we back you up with our American-based tech support. Don't forget to check out our over 2,500 verified, that is verified, 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. Please call us anytime at 866-966-5550. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!